You may want a hinged roof on your boxcar so you could use it as a toolbox. Or you may want to keep the beer cold. Or you may need to launch a killer drone attack. You never know. To put a hinge on my boxcar, I started with inexpensive hinges from Home Depot and a robust refrigerator car from LGB. Its roof is held on with 4 screws. I marked out a location for a recess in the side of the car for the knuckle of the hinge. Then I carefully removed the material until it fit snug in the opening and flush with the top of the door. This took several attempts at getting the final fit. Next, I attached a red plastic spacer, slightly thicker than the knuckle, to the hinge leaf where the roof will be attached. This provides clearance for the roof to rotate. The wood panel clamped to the hinge simulates the roof and its movement with the hinge. This provides a method of locating the hinge as well as verifying fit and function. Yeah, it looks about right. Glue is applied to the hinge carefully to prevent it from bonding to the hinge's moving parts. Fit and function are again verified as the hinge is glued into place. The top edge of the car is rounded to match the curvature of the knuckle to provide clearance for the roof as it rotates open. The locating tabs on the side of the roof where it attaches to the hinge would interfere with the motion of the roof, so they were removed. I used double-faced tape to temporarily attach the hinges to each other with a flat stick. Then I positioned the roof using the remaining locating tabs and clamped the stick to the roof, which in turn clamped the hinge leaves to the roof. Again, fit and function are verified before bonding. Adhesive is carefully applied to the spacers on the hinge leaves to prevent gluing the moving parts. The roof is again aligned with the aid of locating tabs, and the flat stick is used to clamp the hinges to the roof. The stick is later removed. The car with the hinged roof is the second one in the consist. With the knuckles painted the same color as the car, they're barely visible. If you found this video useful, share it with a friend, and check out some of the other inexpensive DIY garden railroad projects on this channel. Thank you for watching. Now, I think I'll get myself a cold one.